Welcome back to another video on the channel. This video is about from 4 or 5 days ago. Forgot to do an intro. Whoops, just now doing it. But we went to Mount Trashmore. First time going to Mount Trashmore. In the comments below, if you've ever been, tell me, comment below. Yeah, it was a pretty nice time. Finished editing the pictures. They look pretty nice. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG. That will be DominicB_photography in the description below. And let's get straight into it.
I'm so glad I wore it on feet. Matter of fact, I kind of wish I kept on the freaking green sweatpants.
Yeah, it's kind of chilly a little bit, like a little bit.
Kind of windy. Kind of cold.
Oh,
Just recording.
Yeah, oh my god. What? But to be fair, they already heard you. I don't get why you don't want to be.
I don't like hearing myself. All the way up to the bushes. I'm about to start roller skating in the house then. Clean off the...
That's cool. You act like you watch the videos anyways. You're not even gonna hear yourself talk. We got our shadows in picture.
There's no sand in my shoes.
It's cool. Nothing wrong with a little bit of sand.
Going to the... Oh, some duckies.
I'll take some pictures of the duckies. Let's go. I'm weak that I have not used the zoom yet, and I asked you.
I mean,
It's
you
not
asked.
really. Yeah.
You asked. You know what's sad?
What's up?
It's freaking fall. It's about to be cold. Not about to be cold.
Not cold, but like
Cold.
like.
Brrr.
I ain't saying nothing on purpose. I'm not tricking you. Oh my gosh.
See? You guys came over here.
I want to.
Oh my god, why are there so many spider webs here?
Oh. See, look. I wouldn't mind being a ducky.
With the purple stripe.
Where's the purple stripe? Oh yeah, I did see that.
To the end. No, the one that's further right?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know if you were looking at this thing. wonder if it's just their reflection.
Oh dang.
What?
I like take that off. Like if you touch the screen, it takes the picture.
Oh. Whoops. See, she's excited about that.
Huh?
She's excited about the ducks.
Oh.
No, but that looks straight blue. I don't know. Yeah, I was about to run.
Why though?
Ducks are quack.
You scared of ducks now?
Pretty much. Look at that one over there, like a big goose.
Yeah, it looked like a goose. It is a
It
goose.
is a goose.
Shh.
You're pretty.
What's up? Seems like you want to say something.
Would you do the photography thing where you take random pictures of people and then
Give it to him?
yeah?
You know, I saw those IG videos and I thought about it, but
Not really that much of a people person.
I'm not sure. I feel like I would do it if my life came to that point.
What does that mean?
I don't know. I just wanted to sound cool.
Yeah, just a random thought.
I don't know if I like this. I don't know about that one.
Regular hill.
But do I feel like walking up hills? Here's the question.
I mean, it's the same as stairs, no?
I feel like it's, I feel like it's more taxing.
Looks like it gets flatter on that side. Ooh, it's busy in the This is refreshing.
Are you glad you came out? I was debating if I wanted it in the middle. I don't think I want it in the middle though. I never put things in the middle. I'm glad I bought my second battery.
Oh, like in your pocket?
Yeah. Oh, this is why I got the zoom. Let's take a picture of the little couple.
You didn't take me on a picnic like that.
You can. I've said I wanted to go on a picnic.
Birthday idea? Don't
Okay.
take mine. Yeah, I'm taking my birthday off.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew that.
I had thoughts of making a reservation.
I gotta remember I got the zoom lens on. I haven't used the zoom lens in a while. I kind of didn't want him in the picture, but it's cool.
You walk back.
Mhm.
That's walking thing. And we never finished our painting either.
I don't even know where that painting is. Probably nowhere.
Trashed it.
Yeah, I was like probably nowhere in sight anymore. I don't know why I didn't put on shoes. Like I wasn't in my car.
I don't know.
Thanks, Birdie, for coming in the picture. I would buy a sniper.
What?
I said I'd buy a sniper.
To fill the boat?
Yes.
What is this? Let me track down.
What?
Another one is coming. But I'm not going to be able to. I mean, my goal is not to keep up with them. So, well, I take that back. I could probably do a nice job.
Really go all the way around.
Yeah, like what is the around part though?
I think it's like to the street. No? I thought I saw people walking down the street.
Oh.
No?
It crosses, I think, and go over there.
There it is. Now I got the water.
That they end
I
up
don't know.
pissing me off.
You want to go up?
Nah, not yet.
And that's on me, I'm not gonna lie. That is on me. But like when it comes down to the fact it don't be worth the bullshit, you feel me?
Why even talk?
That's why I cut him off when it's time to do. And I end up finding another one that's gonna do it later when I do it.
I want one.
Look at you. You know that's staying in the video, right?
The puppy.
Okay.
You didn't see the puppy?
I didn't see the puppy.
Okay.
You're such a nerd.
Okay.
Don't be mad because I'm speaking the truth. Yeah, I can see that.
Sunset.
Ooh, that's dark.
Oh, it's cold.